Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome OS is updated and Bluetooth is turned on. This avoids pairing bugs. Next, power and charge your Switch Pro or detach Joy-Con and press the pairing button. Once done, move the controller within 2 meters of the Chromebook and disable other Bluetooth gadgets so the Chromebook discovers only the controller. You do this now because a clean discovery reduces failed pair attempts and shortens the setup time. It's the foundation of a reliable Bluetooth connection. You open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and choose Add Device so the Chromebook scans for peripherals. Then press and hold the sync button on the Pro controller or press the small pair button on the Joy-Con until the LEDs blink. This puts the controller into discoverable mode. Once the Chromebook lists the controller, select it and accept any prompts. You do this because explicit selection finalizes the link. If you skip selection, the device won't connect or stay paired after sleep. You finish by testing the controller in a game or a gamepad tester to confirm button mapping and latency. Adjust in-game settings if axes feel inverted. If input lags or disconnects, make sure no power-saving profiles are active, reboot your Chromebook, and repair the controller. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the controller by holding the sync button for about 15 seconds and then repeat pairing. This clears stale Bluetooth states and often fixes stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.